This video is a quick reminder that if you are a stock picker, you are a business owner. You are not trading lottery tickets. Behind every stock is a company. So if you invest in Apple, you don't invest in Apple beating the quarter in 3 months. You invest in Apple because you believe in the product, in the fundamentals improving, revenue going up, earnings going up. If you own a stock, you own a partial ownership of a real business. And that's also the reason we do all the analysis. This YouTube channel is a perfect example of this. The plan is to educate people, to help people become better investors, because we do fundamental analysis. We analyze the revenue, the growth, the earnings, the management, who runs the shop, who is the management, are they honest, competent, complete crooks, what is happening, what is the competitive landscape, who are the competitors, does our company have a moat. That's tangible things that we can't do for crypto, by the way. That's also the reason why I don't invest in crypto. I can't do this fundamental work, and I love doing this fundamental work, the revenue, the growth rate, and we do proper valuation, etc. We are business owners. We own partial ownership of business. I know that sometimes the markets are getting crazy and you only think that the markets are going up, and you only see stock tickers and you think the S&P 500 will go up by 1%, 2% by the end of the year because of the Santa Claus rally. This doesn't matter. Everything doesn't matter, because if you plan to invest for the long term, all the short term is noise, basically. I wanted to do a long sentence, but that's it. We plan to invest for the long term, so what matters in the long term is earnings per share. These are free cash flow per share, fundamentals of the business, competitive position of a business. The short-term noise, the Fed, the CPI, Powell, Trump, everything, it doesn't matter. That short-term noise. The key differentiator between an underperformer and an outperformer over the S&P 500 is the quality of ideas. It doesn't mean that we have to be very active. There is a saying from Warren Buffett saying that Warren Buffett is not getting paid to be active, he's paid to be right. So being business owner means you buy and hold and sit tight. And let me do an analogy and I will close this video. If you own real businesses, imagine you are in a western cowboy area, I'm blanking on the name in English, sorry, and you are the sheriff of a town, and you own several businesses. You own the saloon, the barber shop, the restaurant, and the entertainment stuff. You have 4 businesses. Would you consider yourself diversified or concentrated? I would say that you are pretty diversified. You are in the entertaining environment, restaurant, barber shop, saloon. I mean, you know a lot of people, you know a lot about a lot of businesses, how the segments work, the growth rate, and you take your check every month, every year. So you are pretty much diversified. But when it comes to stocks, having a portfolio of 4 stocks is very concentrated, and nobody talks about this on YouTube. They all preach diversification. Even for big funds, you see that you have a lot of diversification. You have a lot of everything for the world, but I would not agree that a portfolio of 4 stocks is concentrated, because if you have different stocks in different industries, that's pretty much diversified. And even for stocks, you may argue that some companies are diversified enough. If you buy Berkshire Hathaway now, you buy a conglomerate of a lot of businesses. So if you buy one stock, it's already diversified. So a portfolio of 1 stock of just Berkshire Hathaway would be diversified enough. So think about this. This was your reminder to own shares for the good reasons, not because the stocks are going to go up, the price are going to go up 10% next month, but because you really believe in the thesis, you really believe in the management team, you really believe in the vision, and you are proud to be a shareholder, a co-owner of these great businesses. If you like this content, I have an investing coaching program. In this program, you will learn a complete investing process. You will learn how to find good stock ideas, how to properly value stocks, when to buy, when to sell, so that you can build a strong portfolio with great companies. Additionally, in this coaching program, you will have access to my personalized guidance for long-term results. We will do weekly calls where we analyze stocks together, and you will have access to my private number available 24/7 for full support. If you have any questions, I'm here to help. Click the first link in the description below to get more information. You will get a short video that explains how everything works completely for free. No need for your mail address, just click the first link in the description and I'll see you on the other side.